Okay children, now we are going to know about the split letters. That is very easy font for note making. It's very useful in the note taking notes and fast requirement of writing. So we have to use the split letters. That is very easy to follow up. Okay, there is no way of strokes or any rules. Simply you have to write, and again after learning this split writing, you have to combine these style of letters with any one of your previous learned font, that is capital, cursive capital, or cursive font, capital cursive font, anything. You have to combine with split letters to the previous font. That is also very useful to you. Okay, so now we are going to know about the split letters. Okay, that is simply any stroke, write this normal small letters and B, easy way of writing. Okay, D and E, okay, and F, normal F, and G and H, okay, and I and J. Next one is K, L, okay, normal M and N. Next one is O, P, okay, and Q, simple way of Q, R, S, okay, and T and U, V, W, next X, okay, Y and Z. Okay, this is a simple way of A to Z. That's called split letters. Okay children, now we are going to combine with split letters with capital cursive or capital letters. Okay, first start with alphabet A. So I have to write one word, that is that is A, brown. Okay, that is capital A. Next one, you have to use your split handwriting. So simple P R O N. Any font or any rules that do not have split handwriting, this is very useful and very fast writing method. So you have, while you taking notes or any other copying work, thus use this, and it's also a neat manner. Okay, that is starting with capital letter, any capital letter. So while you writing one word, okay, then for example biscuit, so put capital B and I, S, C, U, I and T, biscuit. Okay, then C, okay, cobbler, C O B B L E R, cobbler. Okay, then doctor, D O C T O R, doctor. Then engineer, E N G I N E E and R, engineer. And for example, F, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. And G, okay, goddess. Okay, then honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest. And I, igloo. Okay, then J, jamun, O-O-N, jamun. Next K, kingfisher. Simple way of writing. Okay, L, lily. And M, mother. Okay, nurse. And O, optimum or optical. Okay, P, plum. Okay. Okay, next children, Q, start with capital, combine with split letter, that is U, E, E, N, queen. Then R, okay, Rajasthan. But split handwriting also you have to observe the lines, children. It's a easy way of founding, but you should touch the both top line and bottom line and ascender to bottom, everything, because it's a simple way of founding, but you won't write it in a scribbling manner. That's you have to follow the rules, previous rules, that observe the 4 lines here also. So from the ascender, top, bottom, and the descender line. Okay, then S, sunflower, sunflower, sunflower. Next T, teak. Okay, S-T, then U, unicorn, U-N-I-C-O-R-N. So observe here, starting one is the capital. All these letters lies between the top line and bottom line. So understand this letters, and spacing also here also same previous rule. Each alphabet, it lies between the same spacing. Okay, unless you are joined with another alphabet, but spacing is here also very important. Understand, children? Okay, then V, vanilla, V-A-N-I-L-L-A, vanilla. Okay, then W, watermelon. M-E-L-O-N, Observe, any letter should not be overlapped with another alphabet, and spacing also in correct way of writing. Spacing is very important, and don't overlap each alphabet with another. Avoid overlapping. Okay. Watermelon. And X, xylophone. THONE, xylophone. And Y, yacht, YACHT. Okay, yacht. And Z, zigzag, G, okay. Thus we have completed from A to Z, combining with starting alphabet with split letter formation. Okay.